大家好，今天我们要学中文。Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to learn more about basic Mandarin Chinese. So, kung bago ka pa lang sa channel na ito ay tungkol sa pag-aaral ng basic Mandarin Chinese. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell or bell button para updated kayo sa mga video ko. Kaya ano pang hinihintay nyo? Samahan niyo na ako! Let's go! Our past lesson is all about self-introduction. Before we go to our new lesson, let's review first. First, what is hello in Chinese? Very good. It means ni hao. Again. Ni hao. Again. Ni hao. What is your name? Very good. It means 你叫什么名字？你叫什么名字？ Very good. What about I am? I am. Very good. I am means 我是. Again, 我是. What about thank you? It means 谢谢. Again, 谢谢. What about thank you so much or thank you very much? Very good. It means 太谢谢了. 太谢谢了. Oy, nakikita ko talaga na nakikinig kayo ng mabuti. Keep up the good work, guys. Very good. Our lesson for today is all about basic pronouns and greetings. Pronouns in Chinese means 代词 and greetings means 问候. 问候. The first basic pronoun is 我. 我. 我 means I. Again, 我. 我. It means I. Next pronoun is 你. Again, 你. 你 means you. Again, 你. 你. Very good. Next, 他. 他. 他 means he or she. Dito, ipapakita ko ang pagkakaiba ng dalawang ta. Itong ta na ito ay panlalaki. And itong ta na ito ay pambabae. Ano yung pagkakaiba nila? Nagkakaiba sila sa kanilang Chinese characters. Maliwanag ba? Next pronoun is woman. Again, woman. Woman means we, tayo. Woman. Again, woman. Next is Nimen. Again, Nimen. Again, Nimen. Nimen means kayo. And the last one is Tamen. Tamen. Again, Tamen. Tamen means they. Sila. Again, Tamen. Very good. Tapos na tayo sa pronouns. Let's proceed to greetings. Ni hao. Okay? The first one is good morning. What is good morning in Chinese? Good morning in Chinese is 早上好. Again, 早上好. Again, 早上好. You can also say 早安. Again, 早安. Again, 早安. You can say both 早上好 and 早安. Next is good afternoon. What is good afternoon in Chinese? Good afternoon means 下午好. Again, 下午好. Again, 下午好. It means 下午好. It is good afternoon. Very good. Next is good evening. Good evening in Chinese is 晚上好. Again, 晚上好. Again, 晚上好. It means good evening. And the last one would be 晚安. 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 晚安 means good night. Kaya mga bata, bago kayo matulog, huwag kalimutang magsabi sa parents ng 晚安. Again, 晚安. Very good. This time, let's summarize our lesson. First, we have 我. 我 means I. Next is 你. 你 means you. Next is 他. 他 means she or he. Next, 我们. Again, 我们. 我们 means we. We. Next, 你们. 你们. 你们 means you guys. Kayo. Next, 他们. 他们. 他们 means they. Sila. Very good. Next, good morning is 早上好. 早上好. Good afternoon is 下午好. 下午好. Good evening is 晚上好. 晚上好. Good night. 晚安. Hi guys, thank you for watching. This is Tser Jay once again. Please let me know kung meron kayong natutunan at kung meron pa kayong gustong matutunan tungkol sa pagsasalita ng basic Mandarin Chinese. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell or bell button para updated kayo sa bagong video ko. 再见!